Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
All right, we've got some tuna, some peas, some macaroni, cream of mushroom soup, cheese, some milk, and potato chips. Mike Foster here. It's another classic recipe, and I'm all excited about this one. This is classic tuna casserole. You had it since you were a kid. And I'm going to use this one with crushed up potato chips on top. I'm going to set that oven for 425. I got the water getting ready for boil right here for that mac. We're going to put this babe together for another classic recipe. Let's put this bad boy together. All right, everything's ready. A little oil, a little nonstick, not a lot, because this shouldn't be that bad. Here's those macaronis. Put them down. Oh, those are beautiful. Here is the cream of mushroom soup. Oh, that pours nice like that, doesn't it? And we're gonna put some milk in, and I'm gonna just put the milk right in the soup can, just clean the rest of that. I'm just putting like about a half a can of milk. What do you guys think so far? I like it. Here's the tuna, putting that all down. I put 3 cans. Most people call for 2 cans. I like 3. Nice and full of protein and full of what's it called? A tuna casserole, right? Peas. These are everything's organic, by the way. Even the pan, even my hands. It's just so organic. Let's mixy schmixy. It's a very simple recipe, but it's very classic and it's delicious. It reminds you of, I don't know, reminds you of growing up in a big household with a bunch of kids and being on a budget. But this is a classic recipe. I got that oven going. It's set for 425. What else do we need in here? We're going to mix some cheese in. Mix the cheese in with it. And we're going to top the cheese with the potato chips after. Let's just mix all that in. It's a casserole. A little more cheese, my friends. There you go. What I'd like to do now, put a little pepper in there. You don't need to put salt in it unless you want to, because there's going to be salt in the tuna and in the cheese, which are very salty. What do you guys think? I've been really good not saying classic a lot, but then I just said it right then. So because some people get really upset when you say classic too many times. I don't care. This is beautiful. Look at this. Now I'm going to cover the rest of the top with the rest of the cheese, like that. Okay, sweet babu, by the way. Here's the messy part. Here's these chips. You're just gonna crunch these chips on top. You could use breadcrumbs. You could use corn chips. Every classic recipe is different. I actually bought breadcrumbs to use, but my wife insisted on potato chips. So happy wife, happy life. So I think for classic, you gotta go with the chips. The chips and cheese on top. Just cover the top. These are Ruffles. Well, they're left over from the Super Bowl party, but I don't want to tell anybody. There it is. I'm going to pop this in the oven at 425 for 15-20 minutes until it's golden brown. We'll check it in about a dozen minutes. I'll see you then. All right, that's been about 12 minutes. Let's see how we're doing. Oh, it's crispened up pretty nice. Let's get a little close-up on that. You know, I'm going to take a little from the side here to see how cooked through that is. There's only been 12. They call for 15 or 20. That baby is getting there. We can go another 5 minutes and see how we do. Let's see. That stopped a little. This looks pretty good. We'll try another bite here just to see. That's what Mike does. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do 3 more minutes and we should be good. I'll see you in 3 and serve this bad boy up. There is your classic tuna casserole. That baby's beautiful. Can't wait for a big bite. All right, there it is. It's smoky. Look at smoky, smoky hot. Can you hear the fan from the oven blowing over there? Let's take a nice big bite. Oh, it's so hot. I don't know if I can eat it. Mmm. Oh, that's beautiful. Got a big chunk of tuna. Very creamy. Mmm. The crunch from the chips on top. The peas are the only thing green in this. It is hot. That sucker's hot. Maybe a little more cheese next time, but I still think it's really fun. Comfort food at its best. Classic. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 and subscribe to my classic channel on YouTube by the same name. Oh my goodness. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
I want to touch it with my fingers. That's the best part. Baba. Make a lot of noise. This is the most fun that I've had all day. I better wash my hands. All right. Is that enough? One more. Classic. Magic. Sweet. A little baby babu. And we can just close this mofo down. It's really classic.